Hello, travelers, riders, and Honda Highness enthusiasts. Welcome to the page Bird of Passage. This video is about my journey on Honda Highness with my wife as pillion rider to the place known as Kashmir of Orissa. As we travel each day, I will be sharing my views regarding the bike and the accessories installed along with the feedback from my pillion rider. Our bike has been loaded with twin saddlebags, a rucksack as tail bag, and a tank bag. All our important documents, chargers, wallet, and things for quick pull out is kept in the tank bag. One co-rider along with Suzuki Gixxer SF150 will also be joining us in our trip, and there he is waiting for us. We will be taking 2 days to reach our destination, which is approximately 795 kilometers from Kalyani, West Bengal. By the way, we are going to Daringbadi, which is also known as Kashmir of Orissa. We have decided that our first stop will be at Bhubaneswar, which is the capital of Odisha, but we are flexible with the stop and have not booked any accommodations as we are more about enjoying the ride. We may stop somewhere ahead of Bhubaneswar like Cuttack or Balasore, but maximum we will be traveling to Bhubaneswar today, which is approximately 480 kilometers from Kalyani, West Bengal. The route we have decided to travel upon has plains, hills, highways, maybe some off road biking, and this will be quite a journey for a rookie rider like me. And definitely, we will be getting a hang of it, and it will be a valuable experience for future rides which we will be taking later on. We have been traveling since 6:30 a.m. in the morning and have crossed more than 200 kilometers or so and just had two refreshment stops. And I would like to say that I have no back pain, felt negligible vibrations, and my pillion rider is also very comfortable. I have been riding in the speed range of 80 to 90 km per hour, and the real time mileage I am getting is 37.5 km per liter. I have to say I am really satisfied with the performance of the bike till now. Since we have entered Odisha, we can see that construction work of road is going on throughout, but there is little to no congestion. Traffic has been very well maintained and diverted very carefully, and the diversion roads are also very well maintained. For such well maintained roads, traffic, and development works, kudos to Odisha government. We have entered Bhubaneswar and my pillion rider is arranging accommodation for us. We have reached here at around 4 o'clock, which is approximate the time which Google Map was showing us. We intend to stay somewhere near the highway so that we can get up early and head for our destination. We will be checking upon few hotels with good parking facilities and end this day. The excitement is full on for our journey ahead. You guys do stay tuned for more videos and do like and subscribe.